In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Monday.com for inventory management step by step. Whether you're managing a small warehouse, running an e-commerce business, or tracking stock for a retail store, Monday.com can be turned into a powerful and simple inventory management system. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully functional inventory board that tracks stock levels, incoming and outgoing items, and even allows your team to submit updates through forms. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more practical software tutorials just like this. Now, let's get started. The first step is to create your inventory board. On the left sidebar inside Monday.com, click on the plus Add button. From the menu, select New Board. You'll now be prompted to name your board. You can call it Inventory, Stock Tracker, or Warehouse Inventory. Choose a name that clearly reflects its purpose. Next, choose Main Board so everyone on your team can access and collaborate on it. This is important if multiple people will be updating stock. Once everything looks good, click Create Board. You now have the foundation for your inventory management system. Next, we need to add the key inventory columns that will allow us to properly track stock. On your board, click the plus icon to the right of your existing columns to add new ones. Start by keeping the default name column as your item name column. This is where you'll list each product. Then add a numbers column and rename it to Stock Quantity. This will show how many units you currently have available. Add another numbers column and name it Minimum Stock Level. This will help you identify when items are running low. Now add a status column. Customize the labels to something like In Stock, Low Stock, and Out of Stock. This gives you a quick visual overview of your inventory health. After that, add a text column and name it SKU so you can store product codes. Finally, add another numbers column for unit price so you can track the value of each item. You can always expand this with additional columns like supplier, location, or total value, depending on your business needs. Once your columns are set up, you can start adding your inventory items as rows. Each row represents a different product, and you simply fill in the stock quantity, minimum level, SKU, price, and status. This alone already gives you a clean and organized stock tracker. Now let's take it a step further by tracking incoming and outgoing stock using subitems. Click on any inventory item, then select Add Subitem. Subitems allow you to track activity related to that specific product. For example, you can create subitems for incoming shipment, outgoing order, or damaged or returned stock. Inside the subitem section, you can also add columns such as quantity, date, and notes. This gives you a mini transaction history for every single product. Instead of guessing where stock changes came from, you'll have a clear breakdown of movements over time. This is especially useful for warehouses and e-commerce stores that handle frequent stock updates. Another powerful feature you can use is Form View. At the top of your board, click Add View and select Form. This allows you to create a simple form that your warehouse staff or team members can fill out without directly editing the board. Customize the form fields to include things like item name, quantity adjustment, reason for update, or damage report. For example, someone receiving a new shipment can submit a form indicating the product and quantity received. Each form submission automatically creates a new item on your board, keeping everything centralized and organized. This reduces errors and ensures that inventory updates are consistent. With these 4 steps, you now have a complete inventory management workflow inside Monday.com. You've created a main inventory board, added essential tracking columns, used subitems to monitor stock movement, and built a form to streamline updates. As your business grows, you can enhance this system further using automations, dashboards, and integrations to get real-time alerts when stock drops below minimum levels. That's how you use Monday.com for inventory management in a simple, scalable way. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.